In this video, we'll tell you guys how you guys can set up a new Instagram account with your existing account in order for the business purposes. So what you have to do is to go ahead and hover over your profile icon, and you will see there will be an option to add an Instagram account. Simply go ahead and click on that, and you will see there will be option log into your existing account. If you already have your account, just go ahead and click on the login to existing account. If you don't have an account, just simply go ahead and click on create new account button. So here, what you have to do is to provide your username. Make sure, for example, if you want to go ahead and make your brand, put in a username that you suits your best, and then press on OK, and create an account. And that way, the account will be showed right here. So this is how you guys can do it. So how you guys can switch between one account to the other account. So simply hover over the application and then select the account that you want to switch into, and then it will be switched right away. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this really helpful. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share. Take care. Bye bye.